Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Innovations Asterisk. Today, I'm super excited to share my personal review of a product that I've personally purchased and tested, the MANSPOT Manscape Groin and Body Hair Trimmer for Men ***. Now let me tell you, this isn't just another trimmer. It's a complete manscaping kit designed to take care of everything you need, from grooming your body hair to precision trimming for sensitive areas. And yes, I'll be sharing my honest experience, so let's get started. Let's talk about what you get in the box. The MANSPOT Manscape Trimmer comes with the main electric trimmer, 4 different guard combs for adjustable lengths, replaceable ceramic blade heads for precision and hygiene, and a USB charging cable for easy and fast charging. The design is sleek and modern, and the build quality feels really premium in your hands. Alright, so I've been using this for about 2 weeks, and I have to say, I'm really impressed with the results. The ceramic blades are incredibly sharp yet safe, and they glide smoothly without causing irritation or cuts, even in the most sensitive areas. What really stood out for me is the *** motor. It's powerful, but doesn't feel aggressive on the skin, and the battery life is another big plus. One full charge gave me multiple grooming sessions, so no need to charge it every day. And yes, since I personally purchased this, I can confidently say it's worth every penny. The results have been amazing, and it has made my grooming routine so much easier and more efficient. You can easily switch between the guards to get the length you prefer, and the replaceable ceramic blade heads are easy to detach and clean. Honestly, the attention to detail in this product is top-notch. So, if you're looking for a reliable and high-quality trimmer that handles everything from your beard to your body, the MANSPOT Manscape Groin and Body Hair Trimmer is definitely worth checking out. It's user-friendly, safe, and gives professional results right at home. If you have any questions about the product or want me to review other gadgets, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Digital Innovations for more honest reviews like this one.